The triangle mode on Luma has 3 equal timings of 3 seconds, making this pattern the one with the highest number of breaths per minute. This makes it particularly effective for offsetting the negative effects of the shallow breathing we do while we're stressed. To access triangle mode, make sure your Luma is turned on and in standby mode. From here, simply short press the top of Luma 4 times until you see the steady glow diffuser turn pink, indicating triangle breath mode. Alternatively, you can press any one of the 4 touchpoint buttons on the base of Luma. All 4 buttons have the same function. Wait until you see this spinning indicator, which shows that you've selected a breathing pattern, and Luma will wait for you while you get yourself comfortable. Remember to sit up straight whilst remaining relaxed in the shoulders. Doing this gives you the space to breathe into your belly using your diaphragm. Once you're feeling ready, short press Luma 1 more time. As the light rises, breathe in through your nose. Whilst it pulses, hold that breath, and as the light fades away, breathe out slowly as though blowing through a straw. Continue this pattern, focusing on the light and the sensation of your breath. Don't worry if it takes a few breaths to get into it. Stick with it and your body will start to understand that it's time to relax. After 5 minutes, Luma will automatically end the exercise and return to standby mode. If you'd like to end the exercise early, simply long press Luma until you see the reset indicator. Thanks for checking out this short how-to video on using Luma. Make sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and website. Take care, and remember to breathe more, feel better.